Hi, good afternoon. The time now is 5:15 in the afternoon. This is the Great Kiwinoy. I'm just giving you the update of my backyard garden. So we start from the succulent, and that's the remaining topsoil I bought from the garden supplier. And this is my yucca. This is another yucca. And this fern and yucca. And some succulents over there. Now we're entering our decking. Yeah, and now the bok choy or pecha is growing. Yeah, I haven't put any fertilizer yet because I haven't done preparing my fertilizer. And there's the eggplant, and this eggplant as well. And this is the one I raised previously. I haven't done this one because I am run out of time, so I'll do it after Christmas. So here's my other plants, garden plants. So this succulent and money tree is growing beautifully, and I have celery here, and my lemon looks is having like buds. Yeah, and this is my mint. The moment I tie it so that I can clean underneath. And I have small plants in here with beautiful flower, and my tomato, and one of my eggplant I put on this pot. And here's my plants around the cherry tree and the hanging plants as well. There's a lot of mix of beautiful flowers, plants with flowers. And this one, it looks surviving now. As you can see, the leaf turns green. So and here's my hanging succulent. And here's my trellis. I have these long beans. There are 4 of them, but 2 in one bucket. There's another 2 long beans in one bucket. And this is my last batch of tomato. This one, we need to put water. So this is the last tomato I put in today. That's the last. And here's my other hanging plants. There's a succulent and this beautiful flower. I can't remember what sort of flowers or plants this one. And we're going to my other parts of end. So we're now on area of tomato plants, hanging tomato plants rather. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this is my tomato areas. As I said previously, if all this tomato plants having fruits, I would have abundant supply of tomato before winter comes. Alright, thank you so much. That's the last part of this backyard garden. So I will give you an update maybe in June, or I mean in January. So I think that's the time we can have beautiful fruits on these tomatoes and long beans. So please subscribe this video, comment, make some comments, and please like it. Thank you so much, and have a good day, and Merry Christmas, and God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.